Oh, what's up, YouTube? Oh man, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be putting the wheels on the truck. I have to run to Harbor Freight to get a new floor jack, and when I go back, got the new lug nuts in, got the new shocks in. So I'm gonna put the new shocks on first, and then put the blocks on the leaf springs, and we'll throw those new wheels on and see what it looks like. We're running out of light, so we'll probably have to put it under the carport and turn those lights on, and we'll be working into the night. Let's get it done! Alright, so we got back to the house, and in order for me to get this truck under the carport, I have to move the Mustang back. And lately the Mustang's been having real big troubles with something's draining the battery. I don't know what it is. I haven't had a chance to look at it, but I have to jump it every time I need to start it. So let's see if we can get this girl started. She's alive! Alright, so I got the shocks off, and the U-bolt bolts are crazy tight, and I don't have an air compressor here, so it already has blocks on the back. The new blocks I have are just maybe like an inch or 3/4 of an inch bigger than the blocks that are on there. So what I'm going to do is put the new shocks on. Go ahead and put the wheels on and see how it sits, and if I don't like how it sits, I'm just going to take it to a shop that has an air compressor to just zip those U-bolts off, put the new U-bolts and new block on, and just be done with it until I can get my own air compressor. Only one I have is just a small one that's just to fill tires. It really won't take anything off. So we're going to go ahead and put the shocks on this side, take that tire off on the other side, put that shock on, and slap the wheels on. Look at that, guys. I got them on. I got the new shocks in the back on, and I got all the wheels and tires on. As you saw last night, because it is a new day, it got really dark on me. So I had to slap them on in the dark. I couldn't really film that much because it was getting too dark, but got them on. Them boys are sweet. Goodness. But as you know, I am going to do a Raptor conversion on this to the 2015 Raptor. And once I buy the body panel kits from Fiberwerx, actually I'm going to change these wheels again to a 20-inch wheel and a deeper offset. Just because I was kind of wanting more deeper offset on these. These are cool and all, but these are 18s and doesn't have a really deep offset, but they'll do for now. And this is the setup for running. And I have to throw these fender flares on, and we'll take it for a drive. Alright guys, man, as you see, got them boys put on. A couple of the clips are broken, but I'll just fix it later. It'll be on there, no problem. And we're gonna take it for a drive. And that's the end of this video. Comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate anybody that's watching. Share it for me so I can get this channel going, and then I'm gonna buy these panels here soon to turn this bad boy into a Raptor, and she'll no longer look like she does. So stay blessed, protect your legacy. Peace.